Hi, I'm Filwa Nazer. I am a conceptual artist from Jeddah. The Biennale experience has been very interesting. I have to say the organization and the level of the professionality of people that put this event together has been truly astounding. And for me personally, I've been very excited about it. So my work deals with emotional and psychological identity in relation to social and spatial context. In the last few years, I've been exploring specifically the relationship between body and space through the use of textile, pattern making and sewing techniques. This artwork for the Diriyah Biennale is titled 5 Women, and it's a collection of 5 pieces installation, textile installations that deal with the themes of transition and transformation and change and memory. So it's based and inspired by the stories of 5 Saudi women that I interviewed, and they shared very, very personal stories. And each story is linked to a specific dress or garment that they owned. And I borrowed these dresses, and through a process of dissection, I basically recreated the patterns of these dresses, and I blew them up in the scale that you see here in a deconstructive process that references the act of shedding layers in our way of transforming ourselves. Well, the main challenges, I have to say, is that I created these large-scale installations that each of them is between 2 to 3 meters high in 2 small rooms that, the ceiling height was around 290. So I could not actually install the pieces after I created them. So I installed them here at JAX for the first time. I could see them completely realized only when we installed here. So that was very challenging for me. I always say that the audiences can always take what they take of the work. I can only hope that it touches them in one way or another. It might remind them of something. It might relate to some personal experience. It might trigger a memory. So if it does any of these things, I would be very happy. First of all, that they believe that there's something inside them that needs to truly be expressed. And then for them to work really hard to make this expression beautiful, or to make this expression real and true. And to do that, there's so many things to do, but reading, exposure, talking to many artists, art professionals, just generally to have good exposure and good education is very helpful.